I want to sing like birds sing, without worrying about who will listen and what to think. There is a lamp in your heart, ready to burn. There is a void in your soul, ready to be filled. You feel it, don't you? Farewell is said only to those who love the eyes, because for those who love heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. Set your life on fire and seek those who ignite the flames within you. I know you're tired, but come, that's the way. A wound is where light enters you. Be filled with sorrow, so that you may become a mountain of joy. Cry, so that you may break into laughter. You are not a drop in the sea, but you are a drop in which is the whole sea. Why do you stay in jail when the door is so open? Don't grieve. Whatever you lose is found in another form. I can look closer and farther. I can mix with you and look different. I look hidden in the open. I am silent but constantly talking to you. Believe that there is no believer or disbeliever in the religion of love. Love embraces everyone. Silence is God's language. Everything else is a poor translation. Lovers are nowhere to be found. They are in each other all the time. Your heart is like an ocean. Go find yourself in its hidden depths. An intelligent person stays away from three things in life: lust in youth, quarreling in adulthood, greed in old age. In whom you see this, then understand that he truly loves you. If he loves you only for you, then trust his love, for this is true love. Keep quiet, for the world of silence is vast. Happy, either give me more wine or leave me alone. We are born of love. Love is our mother. The one you're looking for is looking for you.